Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketch cartoon video full guide. Start by sketching rough story beats and character poses for each scene. Keep scenes short and focus on strong silhouette poses to read motion clearly. Decide on pacing early, mark keyframes, and plan transitions. Use a simple color palette to keep focus on movement. This planning saves hours during production and keeps your cartoon cohesive and fun to watch. Begin roughing characters and backgrounds with loose, expressive lines to capture personality quickly. Refine key poses next, making sure each one communicates a clear action or emotion. Build turnaround sheets so characters stay consistent across scenes, and limit background detail to avoid visual clutter. Use contrast to separate characters from environments. These steps help maintain a lively sketch look while streamlining the animation process for faster, cleaner results. Block out keyframes to lock in timing and storytelling before you commit to cleanup. Next, add in-betweens to create fluid motion, adjusting spacing and timing for comedic beats or dramatic pauses. Once motion reads well, refine line art and apply a limited palette, shadows, and subtle effects like smears or motion blurs. Export test renders to check playback and fix any timing issues. This workflow keeps you efficient and improves final quality steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.